John Mahama si anyansa.
Onum say enche bia ana bro video ka kire say the president John Mahama on one kasa I exposing ho for lying against the former president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo Addo. Addo di, chill boy. Nana guy. Obetwa tro a kire no, abotwa tro no media no so amafo kan wadwe e kire no. Now say odi Ahenkan any TikTokers abe blasting Mahama pa just say tumia na wo paint no. Wo hwanyame anim as asori panyini etwa tro etu unwa so there any oye mamofo. O wa be clash with Mahama. Be wan kire bu no kire wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media? Mess was say need demo. Obe like video no that my put subscribe button so na be click notification icon of latest update. Abe kire wadwen dey ama me ewo comment section. Mess also baso no achieve so enya bi ahwe. Enti enya ni Ghana had esi when it comes to the issue of anti-LGBTQ+ bill na Sam George e dey call Ghana Parliament. Ese Akufo Addo sign over ya who dey. Esa bill no Parliament approve bill no ama omo pass it. Eti dey hia ne say Akufo Addo me signature be so keke na wasan e ma sadwe no on campaign grounds Mahama e dey blame Akufo Addo empese obesan.
Me GD my faith is against LGBTQ. Me Assemblies of God me. If we say the faith I have, empene say bema bewari bema oba bewari oba. Bill war Parliament. Omunyam passing. But say aban actually says omu pass here president on sign. If he say the Attorney General can say bibi a private members motion. Obetimi pass a bill with a private members motion, but any say a dekabia ebeto aban so. And based on that technicality, President Asɛm say on signing. In terms say idea between Parliament and the executive. Omoshe na omokan. Ebia sombeshe bill numwa. Normal bibia it puts a charge on government na omoye no free. Then it opens the way for the president to be happy to sign the agreement. And so me personally, begin this, and a man is a man, a woman is a woman. Me believe it say nipa utimi sorry I say me feel wo me muse me oba. And so yeah, wo me be mind to me cause no my oba. I mean nature created us man and woman. And Nyame boy, he knew what he was doing when he created us like that.
Sam George on several occasions, Eddie blame Akufo Addo emphasis obesan. Onko kase Akufo Addo is appearing to be a gay activist. It's on person obesan.
I heard President Akufo Addo saying that he wants to hear you say something on Galamsey. Clearly the president has been sleeping. You have spoken loud and clear on Galamsey. But Mr. President Akufo Addo, as the representative of Ningo Pram Pram, the people of Ghana want to hear what your view is on the LGBTQ bill that is before you. Say something and sign it. Mr. President, you are beginning to appear as a supporter of LGBTQ. The people of Ghana and the people of Ningo Pram Pram do not want it. So President Akufo Addo, it has been 8 months since Parliament passed the legislation. Sign it or tell the people what your stance is on LGBTQ. We know the stance of President Mahama. We don't know your stance. Tell us what your stance is. And on Galamsey, Mr. President, deal with your ministers, deal with your party executives, and deal with your own MPs who are engaged in Galamsey. Take the log out of your eye before you talk about the speck in anybody's eye.
And these appointees, Pia Canada, Malik Basentali Canada. Sami Jenfi can one can be. Asset teamwork. Pia Canada. And all these people, no majority of them doubles as church elders because Matthias have done your church elder. Someone that your church elder. Hey, I know. Matthias says to the president, John Mahama. I don't say a church elder. I saw the Penyah. And I was like, wait a minute. I saw the Penyah trying to cross out. I saw the Penyah Casa say, Debbie. I saw the Penyah. You have to create in the year, Juma. I saw the Penyah, Debbie. There was an enrich here. Anna Mahama MET with the clergy. There's a Christian council. Na honor Anna Oko make U10. And some more come for Akufo Addo concerning the issue of anti-LGBTQ+ plus bill no a the good and was say on person besan bill na bill no parliament a pass I approve it the yan say Akufo Addo signature ebesi so no Mahama ekwaka sai o chirim say no bill was presented to Akufo Addo to sign.
That the bill was never submitted to the president for assent. So it was not submitted and the president did not assent. And by the constitution, any bill that is not assented to by the president before the expiration of the life of parliament expires. And so it means that the bill has to be relayed in the House. The Speaker has given notice that he will allow it to be relayed. But if you want the position of my government, marriage is between man and woman. A person's gender is determined at birth. And then also that the family is the foundation of our nation. That is our position. And so there are no questions or equivocations about what we believe. I believe that we are completely aligned with the Christian Council in terms of your belief. And so we agree with the Speaker to relay the bill and let Parliament, debate it. And if there are any amendments or whatever that have to be done, if the Parliament of the people of Ghana endorse the bill and vote on it and pass it, and it comes to me as president, I will sign it.
Parliament alpha bill bi ankotoku for him say on sign. Na is ensem a omu ankasa be kan ye no. Omu konya ensem ni frɛ hinefa. Na is Mahama ebedi tro. Asor panyin mu obedi tro. What I say? Asor panyin we twa tro kire Ghana for. Na eno odi Ahenkan. Any other TikTokers abe clash with John Mahama. Na we any ensem a omu e ka kire no.
John Mahama suanyansa. Mati se odo kwasi abetena se trumu no yenkoto aba. Ye tu wi a obesan. Wamfa ujimi yanso ho akwasia. Tama Akufo Addo so ye to aba na anya abamba be kwasia na na ti parliament ho. Na anya afinyo makinsi mu na ne guo. Na anya kwasia mpanyini Sam George mo an ti parliament ho. Kwasia sam kofo na koto aba wi. Kan ko twa dem na ja jimi no yensan ko waste taxpayers money. En fail form en ko fa electoral commission me si wo me say be $200 million because ma jimi. Ana sika na mutugu na e mo fe. Ya to aba na wi emo na esum parliament omo an da susumo na omo ato awi omo se omo mpetrumu Akufo Addo so wajimi ontwam na wo dwan muti opposition se mo ba ya mu betwam ma ba mu nkotwam am sa de jimi to se yen san koto aba abra mo mu ni twa asere yo mama uni twa asere 2 million abra unye scan pianes for na kwase ya scan na de command electoral commission si yen fanye organization
abusia form me church amu nyina. Mama, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We are seeing Anope. May ciao. I hope so. Me a video say actually, but and I've been pushed to come and do this video again. It's been 11 months since the NDC taking over. Now in the last 11 months, there were a lot of issues I actually and say you Mahama and the NDC, they are actually gaslighting Ghanaians. And some baby almost when they were in opposition. Apparently say na now no money say ntesa. And na papa di the NDC for nim emo mu twa ntro akese etu ye run anado danko Akufo Addo ne Dr. Baumia so. And then the media America aba no eye LGBTQWX matter. Yenina ye hunsen ye titina krum ha. Edani asem no. Emani ye say ye run another danko Akufo Addo na or say he will not assent to the bill. Bill no on sign. Enra Christian Council foko hu John Mahama. Yara John Mahama timi anya kukudu aka say bill no and president what da. Etinya se beda ye run another anim na one sign. Ama Parliament pass ye no be the court. Wu President John Mahama, you were aware. And so jina simpie so kan ya. Me wi am the better ho. Eni asem o kan no. said the bill never came to the president. Eti nya say you run anado na now say on sign. Ade na ama. Esu jina bill what can I say campaign way so afro platform edi you run anado attempt catch na ye nyina say sanya won crofo di eche kanya say you run anado ni nebusuafo nyina mo ye LGBT ko bi ege. Won say radio you so ntoma. Now I don't blame you. I again Ghana for no. And a Christian Council for no. Last year, elections in Timu LGBTQ wasemi. Mudi jinamu the preaching woman sorry name. Mudi me my catch am say me sorry already me apament. Ya na me aso for asem empese me ka. Na mu compare what you did last year. Na mu fan hwe ne John Mahama ka kire mo ne. Se nyame bi wo ho. Nyame na mo sum no wo ho na nyame bi wo ho a may he judge between you John Mahama and then Akufo Addo maybe SWAL MPP administration se nyame bi wo ho a so judge muni na Addo ani ni ye no krani nyame ani muni na Addo ani ni ye on the issue of LGBT, on the issue of Galamsey, and then on the issue of the cathedral. Remember ho muni na Addo ani ni ye politics in tea. Mujina ho e kan sama enyampa egu no so and they say nyina na yaji anisu and yaji anisu after the president to say our mother it never appeared on the decks of the president nyina yeti ha enkrafo beka bi ota nyina ye okrom ha nyame ma ye nyina nkwatenten me the videos no beto aso
that the bill was never submitted to the president for assent. So it was not submitted and the president did not assent. And by the constitution, any bill that is not assented to by the president before the expiration of the life of parliament expires. And so it means that the bill has to be relayed in the House. The Speaker has given notice that he will allow it to be relayed.
Wajia to me say bill na efa LGBTQ no ebeduna ni mo obe sign na msi mo ne kasa opani wa kasa ye wa ya de pa na momu no on the Speaker of Parliament ya adwen say they should relay the bill amon san fa bill ne mamra se bedwafie na unkomodie ne nsakra bi bebe mo munya wie bibia no mo de ba obe sign and me come adwen as a Ghanaian, as a citizen of this nation say it is a bill no me na na ya kase minim ni pa solid etiana na do was asem no ho ayenkan ho se oba ni bema be ba ni ba be wale bema ni bema be wale ensi na do sign ye kan bia ma ya hwe kran ka no be pa enti na bibi obi nim ana mo say ye satam na some George any honorable Reverend Intim Fojo ye tawmachi ti se sabi na ntwe ni atacha no na namu ni se bibi obi ni mebe hia nsakraye ansa na mampani ansan and at that time no mo se yanka se mampani ansan no ene mu ni mampani na nado enni ni yi wakotina wo Facebook wakotina wo Twitter Instagram esa se hwan se me ye shallow minded kai nyaze mo di sin wo twe ye betwe nobody I don't fear the fig she yanka ni waja agro ye de kwato de ne bodwe on emra na ya sujagu na nado dan kwa Akufo Addo so se won san be ne de na mu hu ye se ya soro abofo ye hu ni tima na de mo so memene na ya gazi mu twe adapa ni asem mada pa we ebegba bubu ya pre kai won kurase ni adapa we betwe bubu na pre ye be bi ofiri nwuram ba bi ofiri nyame hu ye mobo ye medi transform man no na ho minu mi no one company se Ghana be ye che o Ghana na sade kone nko ya mutianki anuntum aja mu pam no mu pa homa ni guru ebe pam no ye yim wa ha social media o de say nyanzi wanya a credit once young. We must be fair and we must be bold enough to defend this nation. When it is right, it is right. When it is wrong, it is wrong.
Peace FM.
Ubet machira wajwe amami. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Media. Accra.